Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Software Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to share out a Google Sheet with a link. So there is a pretty simple way to do this. Currently I am on that Google Sheet that I do want to share out. If I go up here to the top right corner, you can see the current setting is that it's private only to me. So I'm going to click on that share button and it'll show me a few different ways that I can share this out. So I can add people in groups. So if I had a group of emails that I had associated that I wanted to send out, and they were in a group within my Gmail, I'd be able to do that. I can also add people with their email, or I can give people access with a link. We can give general access, or we can do it to anyone with a link. And then if we choose anyone with a link, we can determine what level of access they have. If they have the viewer, so they can only view it. If they are able to comment, that would be commenter, and editor would be anyone with full access to this, and they'd be able to edit it. But if I wanted to go ahead and share, I would be able to copy the link and then paste it and then go ahead and send it out however I was going to send this out. Personally, how I've sent this one out is through YouTube descriptions and YouTube comments. Someone asked for the link to this that I showed in another video on a separate channel, so I commented them the link so they're able to view it and use it for any scenarios that they need. But anyways, that's how you go ahead and share a Google Sheet. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'll try and get back to you as fast as possible. Thanks so much.